Centurion Boats thrive on a family-like workforce, where dedication and care come together to produce boats that are built with pride, quality, and true craftsmanship.
It's a family dynamic. It's really a family atmosphere. And I use the word family. I don't want to use that loosely because I've gone to several other factories where you have workers and you can see that there's really good things being built, but it's a workforce. It's a very special bond that I would say we have, and it's very unique. And again, I would say the family perspective is really how I would quantify what it really looks like from an outsider's perspective. I've had numerous vendors come through and even people that are customers come through and they've walked our production lines and met our workers and they say, man, I've never seen like happier workers. Like, oh yeah, they enjoy being here. They enjoy being here because again, they're surrounding themselves with good people. They love what they build. They have pride in their work. You can't ask for anything better than that, especially when you come to a factory level employee and a guy that's putting his blood, sweat, and tears into the product that we're building. It's a great thing to be a part of, and a lot of people really, when they step in, they see that firsthand. And I think that's what makes us unique is the fact that from a leadership perspective, we're all very humble, and I think that we all understand that we have a common goal, and it goes back to that one team, one goal, because that doesn't stop just at the production lines. That goes all the way through the leadership levels of our company.
Centurion's culture is special when you start to look at how many employees have been here for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and now they get recognized. But I'm going to tell you what you get, and we get this all the time on factory tours when they come through. They see the difference in the employees. They see their attitude difference. They see the joy that they have in doing their work. And that joy in doing their work translates into higher quality, translates into a higher creativity for building better product. And we've had that mentioned to us many times, like they can't believe how happy the employees are when they take these tours. And a lot of that is just, building the right culture, but also those legacy employees, the impact that they have on the other employees coming in is hugely important.